Day 2. Quarantine. I've drank all the water. And the zombies are coming. Zombie Baffles, that is. Alright, YouTube. Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. You know, I'm bearded. She's the bobber. She's the bagger. Ooh. Yeah. Well, all joking aside from the intro, technically it's day 2 for me on the quarantine. You guys will probably see this in a few days. Maybe this will not be as funny in a few days. But we have some fun stuff. We have... Ooh, this side, that's better. We have Tab Performance. Yes. So we got the Tab Performance exhaust. I've been talking about it for a long time. And we got the Zombie Baffles. Pretty fitting right now. I got the slash cut tips. I am so excited to put these on, you guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. We got it just in time before lockdown. I'll have the sound clip up for you guys as well. Put that up in the corner. It should already be up. What we're going to do right now, get these saddlebags off, get the stock slip-ons undone, and raise the dead. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first step in this process, we're going to take this panel off here. Comes off like so. Now there's a panel identical to this on the other side. We're going to unplug this because this is the wiring that goes into the saddlebags for the locking bags, and I believe also the sound system if you have it. So we're going to get that guy unplugged and start unbolt. Alright guys, so we've got to take this antenna off here, which is 8mm. And the reason we're taking this off is there's 2 bolts here that are 13mm. We're taking both those off. That inside. That little bracket there. Another rubber piece here that actually covers all this up. Now they recommend turning it once all this is loose. So the clamp up here is a 15mm. You want to use a little bit of a deeper socket than you do down here. Enough. Yeah, you just kind of see through these. It's a very tight hole. Whoop. We got one side out, ready to put the other one on. I have a live stream to get to, which you guys will see, so I'm gonna get to that. All right, there guys. Well, can we continue? So right there, you can see you wiggle it to get it off. Keep that guy together because we're gonna put that on the new one. All right guys, so we have our ring off our stock exhaust. We're putting it on there. Now this is the other side, but we want to make sure the bolt is going to be in the same access spot. So when the bike's down, it'll be right here, right on the inside, just like it was. Now you can see the little wedge spacer right here. We want to get that on here, but we want that side to go down first, and then start getting the other part around here. Now with a rubber mallet, you can get this on there, but you gotta be careful because your tip is on the ground. Make sure it's on something either soft or lift it up off there. So now when this one lines up, it'll be right where we need to access it to tighten it up, or to loosen it if we ever need to take it off. The bike's dirty, but don't judge. You can see the stock tips were like right about here, so they do come out farther, but I mean, just a beautiful look. They do have different style tips if you check out their website. I'm just a huge fan of the slash cut, as you guys know, with the bobber in this. All right, guys. So as you can see, bike sounds great. I'm really digging the exhaust. No, it's not the bobber. The bobber is the cool thing with having the bobber in this. If I want to go be a hooligan, the bobber is great. I'm loud, crazy, just fun bike. This is also a great fun bike and a lot of crazy stuff you can do. But the exhaust, the sound pushes back. So like when I'm on the bike, I hear the speakers great. I hear the exhaust, but I'm not like overwhelmed with the exhaust. So, I mean, it's a lot to bring. You got the exhaust, the stereo, the wind, you know, you're trying to deal with all these things. So, yes, this bike does cut down on wind. Speakers sound great. And I only have the front speakers right now. I don't have the back. And then the exhaust, you can tell it gets pushed behind you. Hopefully that is making sense because it's not just sitting there with you. It's going back. Still get that nice, like, a nice, like, rumble, like a da-da-da-da-da-da. Like, it's... I really dig the sound. Hopefully I can get a little bit more with it later on. It's raining now today, but I did get some miles in yesterday, and I really got to like hear it on the freeway, hear it in different situations. That doesn't all translate to the camera, so hopefully those drive-bys will do pretty good for you. Try to get like a at speed and then a higher speed and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, stay safe, stay classy, and I hope you guys are all really doing good.